Hello there, and welcome back to my channel. For anyone that is new here, my name is Kayla Jones, and I really love makeup, skincare, and music. So for this look, I want to do like some blue eyeshadow because blue is one of my favorite colors of all time. Alright everyone, let's get started. The first product I'm going to go in with is this Fenty Beauty True Matte Pro Filter Primer, and put this all over your face and neck. Now, I'll be taking this eye primer and putting that all over my eyelids. It's also by Fenty Beauty. The next thing I'm going to go in with is this foundation by Makeup Revolution in the shade F1. And then with a sponge, I'm going to blend this all in. So with the same brand, I'm going to go in with their concealer in the shade C1. Put this under your eyes and also on any spots you have. And then with the same sponge, blend it all in. The next thing I'll be going in with is this Zane Powder by Laura Mercier. The next thing I'll be going in with is this Blue Moon eyeshadow palette by ColourPop. And the first shade we are going to take is the shade Moonlight, and we're going to put that just in our crease. The next shade we are going to go in with is the shade Starry Eyed, and put this in your crease also. The next shade we are going to go in with is the shade called Tide Pool. Put this shade all over your eyelids. Blend in everything one last time. We don't want any harsh lines. The next thing I'm gonna do is take this Wet n Wild kohl eyeliner in the shade Black, and with this pencil I'm just going to line the top lash line. So the lines that I just drew on my eyes are gonna be my guide for gel eyeliners, felt tip eyeliners, you know, anything like that. Be very careful when you apply liquid eyeliners. Next, we are going to curl our eyelashes. Take this high impact mascara by Clinique and put that on your top and bottom lashes. And with this brow pencil, I'm just going to fill in a little bit of the eyebrow. Next, I'm going to take a brow pomade and I'm going to fill in all the brow. And now with some brow powder, I'll be taking this in all over the eyebrow also, just to set it. And now I'll be taking some clear brow gel and I'm going to put this all over the eyebrow just to set it one more time. For blush, I'm going to take this e.l.f. blush palette and we're going to take this shade right here and put that all over our cheeks. So for my brow bones and inner corners, I went with this Too Faced highlighter in the shade Blinded by the Light. So now I'm going to take this exact same shade and we're going to put it on our cheekbones, our nose, and our cupid's bow. So now I'll be taking Kylie's lip liner in the shade Ulta Beauty and I'm going to outline and fill in my lips. And now I'll be taking Kylie's Matte Liquid lipstick in the same shade Ulta Beauty and we're going to go over the entire lips with this color. The last thing I'm going to go in with is this Morphe setting spray and put this all over your face and neck. Okay everyone, this is the final look and I think it actually came out very nice. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to put that in the comments below and also subscribe to my channel. Bye, love you.